So here's how you can make your Instagram account private. It's actually quite easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. Also, if you find this tutorial helpful, then be sure to subscribe to my channel as it really helps out. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and click on Instagram to open the app, of course. And then once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and click on your profile picture on the bottom right hand corner. That's going to lead you over to your profile page. Now, to make your Instagram account private, you want to simply click on the three bars on the top right hand corner. And then from here, you want to click on Settings and Privacy. Now, once you're in your settings and privacy, you want to scroll down a little bit. And right over here under who can see your content, you can see it says account privacy. So go ahead and click on that. And then now you have the option to enable this toggle that can make your account private. So go ahead and enable that. Business accounts can be private. So I actually have a business account, meaning I can private it. But in this case, if you have a personal account, then just enable that toggle and then you'll have a private account. And if you do also have a business account like me, then just go ahead and change your account back to a personal account and then go back to this page right over here and then private your account.